Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Goodwill be like 1. Holding the door open, a tiny gesture that can brighten someone's day. 2. Sharing your umbrella because kindness is better when shared. 3. Returning a lost wallet. Honesty is worthy more than money. 4. Helping someone carry heavy bags. Many hands makes light work. 5. Giving a sincere compliment. Kind words can last all days. 6. Letting someone go first in line. A little patience shows big respect. 7. Sharing your snacks. Friendship tastes even better together. 8. Helping a classmate study. Success is sweeter when shared. 9. Checking on a comrade. A simple "how are you" can mean a lot. 10. Smiling at a stranger. A smile is free but priceless. 11. Saying thank you. Gratitude never goes out of style. 12. Saying I'm sorry. A sincere apology can heal hurt feelings. 13. Encouraging someone. A few positive words can build confidence. 14. Cheering for others. Then success doesn't take away from yours. 15. Picking up a litter. Kindness can help people, the planet. 16. Respecting different opinions. Listening is also an act of goodwill. 17. Helping someone who is lost. A little guidance goes a long way. 18. Welcoming a newcomer. Everyone enjoys feeling included. 19. Having useful knowledge. Helping others learn benefits everyone. 20. Being patient. Sometimes kindness means simply waiting calmly. 21. Giving someone a second chance. People can learn and grow. 22. Celebrating someone else's achievement. Goodwill means being happy for others. 23. Offering your seat. A thoughtful gesture shows respect. 24. Helping without expecting a reward. Kindness, its own reward. 25. Keeping your promises. Trust grows through reliable actions. 26. Speaking politely. Respectful words make conversations better. 27. Including everyone in the fun. Nobody likes to feel left out. 28. Forgiving small mistakes. Everyone has off days. 29. Being a good neighbor. Friendly communities starts with friendly people. 30. Choosing kindness every day. Goodwill spreads happiness, builds trust, and make the world a little brighter. One good deed at a time. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!